Well, folks, looking at the Springfield Tower camera right now, things look pretty good, frankly, for the midday hour. A little warm, sure, but not bad for August standards, right? A mostly clear sky, a few cumulus clouds popping up here and there, but really good. 82 degrees, dew points in the upper 50s to near 60. That puts us here in Springfield in the comfortable scale. Anything 60 degrees or below on the dew points is comfortable. Anything 60 to 65, it's not bad, okay? A little humid then, though. 84 in Ava, 82 Branson, 80 in Lake Ozark. We're all feeling good. We're looking good. We're doing well. It's not too windy. You probably need a little bit of a breeze, though, this afternoon to help kind of move things around. But thankfully, it's not going to be too humid today. So without the wind, you're still going to get by. It's still a tolerable day as we go through the first week of August here. Dew points, like I said, pretty tolerable. They're not bad. They're comfortable at times in the 50s. Some areas, though, seeing those 60s, and that's a little muggy, but not bad. Heat index right now, hardly anything to speak of. It's 82 degrees in Springfield, and it feels like 82 degrees. That's good news. Satellite and radar, clear skies, a few cumulus clouds to the east. Otherwise, we're looking good. We're looking for haze on here. Not seeing any haze here. To our west, though, across Oklahoma and Kansas. Notice this, these little, that right there. It's a very faint motion on visible satellite. That is haze from smoke, all right? And that smoke is a result from some fires off in Utah and Colorado that's going to be impacting us, not today, but tomorrow. I think by tomorrow afternoon, we'll start to see a better risk of some hazy skies, some more of that wildfire smoke moving in to the Ozarks tomorrow. Today, not the case, all right? After that, there's a weekend storm coming. Right now, it's sitting way out here in the Pacific Ocean, all right? Here's Washington, Oregon, west of there in the ocean. That's our next storm coming with a cold front. It's going to come through, looks like late this weekend into early next week. So here we go. Heat dome, we're hot, large, and in charge through about Saturday. Then we get to Sunday. We're still in the 90s over the weekend, but that cold front's going to get close to the area, bringing with it a chance of rain showers early next week. Okay, it's hit or miss rain is what it looks like Sunday through about Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. It's going to hang around a while, but not this week. Upper 80s to near 90 today. A cloudless sky for the most part, mostly sunny though. Upper 60s overnight tonight. Not as cool tomorrow morning. Tomorrow itself, we're going to go for about 91 degrees. It would be a little warmer, but that smoky haze expected for tomorrow may reflect some sunlight back to the air. So we're going to go for about 91 tomorrow. Tomorrow night, low 70s, warmer still Thursday, low 90s. It'll be in the middle 90s. Our hottest day looks to be about Friday or Saturday. Plenty of sun, dry weather, hot weather through about Saturday. And then showers possible. Late Sunday, better chance of rain, scattered rain at best, looks to arrive Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. Jesse?
All right, back to the 90s we go, Tom. Thanks.